Hi, this is the third scenario in module 7, loading a PSV file. PSV file, pipe separated values file. Pipe also known as vertical bar. So PSV file is a delimited file that we can load into the database table. So let's jump into the demonstration. First look into the PSV file. We have this file and it is pipe delimited file. All the values and columns are delimited by pipe. So this is pipe separated values file. The first row in the table is the header row and it has the column names. And I have already created this package. It has the data flow task and we need to create the new flat file connection manager, and I have already created this one ffcm PSV file. In this connection manager, I have pointed to the PSV file, this file, and we have locale, code page, text qualifier, header row delimiter, header row to skip, and column names in the first row, data row, the columns, and for column delimiter, we have used this vertical var, which is pipe, because the file is pipe separated values file. And in advanced, same, we have the same configuration as in previous uh, scenarios. So we have casted their data types accordingly. You can see or refer the previous one for more details. And in preview, we can see the preview. That's fine. In data flow task, we have again this flat file source for PSB, and we have provided this connection manager of PSB file. In columns, we can see all the columns are available. In derived column transformation, we have this package name system variable and have used this for package name. In ADO.NET destination, we have the same table as a destination table with ADO.NET connection manager. In mapping, again, we have skipped this customer ID connection column mapping, and all other columns are mapped properly. So let's execute this package. You can see it, this file also has the 16 records, so all 16 records were loaded. Let's see in the database. If we run this query, we can see now it has 48 records and we have 16 records for PSV also. CSV had the 16 records, TSV had the 16 records, and PSV had the 16 records. So it loaded all the 16 records into this table. So this is how we can configure the flat file connection manager for PSB. This is just a terminology. PSB, vertical var, TSB, or the CSB. Actually, these are the delimited files and also known as the flat files. So we have to use the flat file connection manager and we have to use the proper column delimiter like CSB for comma, tab for TSB, vertical var for PSB, or semicolon or any other separator we can have there. If they are not available, we can use a custom one like this. So this is how we can load the TSB, CSV and PSV files.